Before disassembling any Sceptre monitor, proper preparation with the right tools and safety equipment is essential for a successful and safe repair. Let's examine the essential tools you'll need for monitor disassembly. Each tool serves a specific purpose in safely opening and working with electronic components. Plastic prying tools like spudgers and guitar picks are crucial for safely separating snap-fit plastic components without causing scratches or cracks to the monitor housing. Phillips head screwdrivers in sizes PH0, PH1, and PH2 handle the majority of screws found in Sceptre monitors. Using the correct size prevents screw head stripping. Flathead screwdrivers serve dual purposes, removing flathead screws and safely discharging capacitors. Always use insulated handles for electrical safety. A digital multimeter is essential for verifying that all power has been safely discharged from the monitor before beginning disassembly work. Heat guns or hair dryers help soften adhesives used in modern monitor construction, making component separation easier without damage. Personal safety equipment is just as important as the right tools. These items protect you from electrical hazards and physical injury during disassembly. Anti-static wrist straps are essential protection against electrostatic discharge, which can instantly destroy sensitive electronic components in modern monitors. Safety glasses protect your eyes from plastic fragments and small components that may break free during disassembly, especially when prying apart snap-fit connections. Insulated gloves provide protection from electrical shock and sharp metal edges while maintaining the dexterity needed for precise disassembly work. Following proper safety procedures is non-negotiable when working with electronic devices. These steps protect both you and the equipment from damage. Always disconnect power and wait at least 30 minutes before beginning work. Capacitors can hold dangerous charges long after the monitor is unplugged. Use your multimeter to verify zero voltage. Electrostatic discharge protection is more critical than ever with modern Sceptre monitors. Enhanced ESD-sensitive components require stringent anti-static procedures throughout the entire disassembly process. Current Sceptre monitors incorporate lead-free solder and more ESD-sensitive components, requiring updated techniques and even more careful handling than older models. Remember, proper tool preparation and safety procedures are the foundation of successful monitor repair. Taking time to prepare correctly prevents damage to both equipment and yourself. Proper disassembly begins with systematic documentation. Before touching any screws or cables, photograph all connections and screw locations from multiple angles. Monitor disassembly follows a specific component hierarchy. Work systematically from exterior to interior components to avoid damage and maintain organization. Begin with the stand and base assembly. Most Sceptre monitors have hidden screws under the base pad or rubber feet. Remove these covers to access the primary mounting screws. Next, access the back panel by removing perimeter screws. Sceptre monitors often use snap-fit mechanisms along the edges. Use plastic prying tools to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once inside, you'll encounter the power supply, mainboard, and LCD assembly. Understanding the LCD layer structure helps prevent damage during final disassembly. Each layer serves a specific function in image display. Different Sceptre models require specific techniques. The E248W9203R series has integrated stands with hidden fasteners, while curved models like the C305B200UN need special handling to prevent stress fractures in the curved panel.